One of the biggest benefits of a remote job is the ability to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This can be Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn have a wide range of job listings, including remote positions. You can use keywords like remote or telecommute to find these jobs. 2. Search job boards and websites that specialize in remote work. Websites such as remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs have a variety of remote job openings in different industries. 3. Check with your current employer. If you are currently employed but interested in working remotely, it's worth checking with your employer to see if they offer any remote work options. 4. Network with professionals in your industry. Networking can be a powerful tool in finding job opportunities. Reach out to professionals in your field, attend industry events and job fairs, and join professional organizations to increase your chances of finding a remote job. 5. Use social media. Follow companies and recruiters on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Many companies and recruiters post job openings on social media, so it's worth keeping an eye out for these opportunities. It's also a good idea to create a strong online presence, including a professional website or LinkedIn profile, to showcase your skills and experiences. This can help you stand out to potential employers and increase your chances of being hired for a remote job. Like, follow and subscribe for more business-related tips and tricks. Have a great business day.